Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix IPersistFile save failed code in Windows 11. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Open Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Turn off Controlled Folder Access. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.